So in this video, I'm doing 0.60 subtracted by 0.39. So here I have 0.60, and you're taking away all of these from 0.60. So on the side right here, I have what each place value represents. So the tens place value represents this manipulative, and then this place value represents this manipulative, which is 10 cubes, and then this place value represents 1, which we're not going to use in this problem. So what I'm going to do is that I know that I have to subtract 3 cubes from 0.60, so I'm going to cross out these 3. And I'm going to cross out here so we know that we're done with it. So now we're supposed to subtract 0.09 of these from one of these cubes. So what I'm gonna do is I don't know what this is. Okay. I'm gonna grab one of these and I'm gonna break it apart into 10 pieces. 1, 2. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that. So now I'm going to subtract 0.09 of these, so it's going to be this, since I have the key right here. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what I have left over is all of these. So I have 2 of this guy, so I know I'm going to put 2 here. And I have 1 remaining on this manipulative, which I'm going to put right here. And then the answer is going to be 0.21.